So there's a little bit of a quick jump in the video. There's apologies, the only reason because I wanted to just show you how the CarPlay would look on here. So as you can see, I'm actually recording this with my phone, which is actually it's paired to, so you can't see any wires connected to that there. My phone is totally unconnected to any other single wires in the car. So as you can see, this is all perfectly wireless, and as you can see, it'll be the same for Android Auto too. So there's a lot of products on the market just for converting wired into wireless. This is probably the same, cost the same amount as them products you probably see online, and obviously you get the added extra of on these sort of apps here to it if you want to add to them. Also, you can log onto the Play Store, as you can see before, and you can download applications to it if you want. You can just close things down, put your back windows in the back end settings, and that'll take you back to there. So I hope you like it. This product, guys, it's dead cheap, not expensive. So if you're interested, give us a shout, or if you got any thoughts on it, yeah, get in touch with us, and quite happy to help you out. Have a nice day now, and I'll see you soon. Take care, bye bye. Hi guys, I'm Rob from Icebox Auto here today. Just going to show you a little nice new product which we're trialing on our cars. Now there is some systems that have been out for quite a few years, to be honest with you, but I'm going to say new trialing. It's only because it's been the latest release in terms of the latest versions, because there's a lot of them out there which are like quite old and buggy and laggy sort of thing. So it's a car smart box, which basically it gives you ultimately it turns your wireless CarPlay and Android Auto in the original wireless CarPlay that is in the car into wireless, and effectively all you get is a little tiny box down here, which is that box, and you just got a USB cable which plugs into the USB cable of the car. And what it does, it automatically just switches the CarPlay over into this Hibox software, which obviously you can see on there, but obviously I'll just show you. It actually comes up through the Apple CarPlay app. So if I was just press that there, you'll see here's the interface. See how quick that it came on. I have preset it up for the purpose of the video in terms of the settings, but here's a few of the apps that are on there at the moment, which is, I say, if your car's all touchscreen, then this will be touchscreen anyway. So this is Netflix app here, and YouTube, MirrorLink, and there's your CarPlay or Android Auto wireless app there. Also, there's your Bluetooth module. It does have the latest Bluetooth 5.0 chipset inside the product, as well as the latest Wi-Fi 5.0 chipset inside. So obviously you can play your music from your phone there. You can stream music from your phone from the system if it's set up. File manager browser is where you can download certain applications onto the system here if you want to. So obviously and videos, where obviously you can play videos through the system. So as you can see, this is my application here for CarPlay. This is basically a needs setting up with my phone. So obviously I'll show you that in a short while, because I'm taking a video on it at the moment. Netflix app here, you do need to have a Wi-Fi connection with it, but as you can see, there's me putting on for the first time, and it's saying that it's to update the app. So I just need to log on to Google Play. This is where obviously you can download many other applications onto the system if you wanted to do so. So if I just wanted to sign in there, just obviously you're all familiar with that anyway. So YouTube app, there's the YouTube app here too. These are really cheap, guys. They're not that expensive, to be honest. You'd be quite surprised how much they're going for. So we'll have the price up in the description down below, or the link to our website, which will show you where to purchase from. But as I say, we do get a lot of requests for turning your original CarPlay from wired into wireless, and this device will be perfect for it. So just a little summarization of it. So obviously if you got any questions, give us a shout. Hopefully I'll try and just bring another video of the CarPlay setup in a moment.